Beta formworks and steel molds produce high-precision precast concrete elements. We provide suitable molds for your constructional precast units, components, fittings, as well as complete modules and buildings made of concrete. Our steel molds are conical or movable for form removal. They are hydraulically closed and complete with vibrating and heating mechanisms. Benefits of beta molds are dimensional accuracy due to 3D construction design, stability through solid steel construction, and size adjustment for different concrete component dimensions. Based on your requirements, the steel sheet, frame structure, and components standing for high comfort are custom made for you. Special designs are part of our everyday business. Beta Maschinenbau, made in Germany.